Now I know you have noticed these uber juicy, luscious curls. Well, I did that, okay? I did that. And I'm about to show you how I did. You can use this tool that I used on a previous wig and y'all went crazy. Y'all was like, I need that. And yes, you do. I use it again on this. That's why you see these little curls. These little curls throughout. I detangled the hair, separated, defined, and twirled, finger twirled the ends of the hair using CurlRev Detangler and Styling Tool. Y'all, I'm hooked on this. I'm hooked on these. Let me show you. It comes with 3 different options. You have like, I think it's like soft, firm, and medium. Y'all, it's from CurlRev, which is black owned. You think it's not what it is? Detangles, combs, forms curls, styles, and smooths edges. They're little finger tools that you put on your finger. Okay, bam, just like that. What I did was I took all these because again, curls are not supposed to be, in my opinion, they're not supposed to be uniform, you guys. There are these little bristles on these. You see? That is used to detangle and smooth the hair strands, you guys. As you're smoothing, you're also detangling. I just randomly went through the hair, went down the hair strand, then I took my finger and I finger coiled the ends. Boom, let it air dry. Y'all, when I tell you the type of finger coils that I get with this right here, see, y'all think it's a game, and I'm trying to tell y'all it's not a game. Everybody think it's a game. It's not a game.